Facebook remarketing do's and don'ts in 2019 and 2020. Facebook retargeting, is one of the most effective ways to bring back visitors that have performed certain actions on your site. It allows you to send ads with the aim of recapturing their attention, based on the actions they took earlier. There are several things you need to understand about launching a Facebook remarketing campaign. Now you will learn the do's and don'ts you just put into practice to achieve a successful Facebook remarketing campaign. Do's: exclude custom audiences from other retargeting campaigns. Of course, it is ideal to want to reach as many audiences as possible, particularly for more sales. But be careful to not get carried away with remarketing. Do not annoy people who have already converted with ad overload. This is also going to be a wasted budget. Therefore, be sure to exclude anyone who has already converted from the list of your targeted users. Set up an efficient tracking system. There is no way to successfully perform Facebook retargeting without remarketing to the audience who engaged with your website or content. To achieve this, you will need to set up a tracking system. A good tracking system can make all the difference in your Facebook retargeting campaigns. It will help to cater to the needs of your custom audiences. To start, you'll need to configure your Facebook pixel with the tracking system already in place. The next thing is to start building new custom audiences, plus craft a retargeting message that speaks to these audiences. Segment your Facebook remarketing database. One big mistake you can make about Facebook remarketing is to target all your Facebook custom audience with the same offer or retargeting ads. It is purely unproductive to channel your high ROI retargeting audience into a single basket. To run an effective retargeting campaign, you need to segment your audience, refresh your data frequently, plus offer ads that match the interests of the new remarketing segments. Retarget on time. You may lose the recall factor among your audience if you delay too much in displaying retargeted ads. Facebook retargeting should preferably happen within 10 days after a prospect visited your website. Don't be pushy or aggressive, as it may work against you and the customer might lose interest. Rather, learn to go about it subtly. You can drop subtle hints or even send a quick offer or discount. Set up a remarketing funnel. A successful Facebook retargeting occurs in different stages. Someone who only reads your post one time can be converted into a customer, only if you retarget them with the right message at the right time. And that's why you should create a remarketing funnel. Awareness, interest, desire, conversion, and re-engagement. And now, let's move to the don'ts. Don'ts. Don't opt for a broad campaign. Narrow it down. Dealing with a broad campaign is probably the biggest and the most common Facebook retargeting mistake. A typical retargeting campaign targets every site visitor in the last 30 days. If this is the only thing you do, it doesn't matter how incredible your ads are, people won't convert. Rather, you need to redefine your audience by targeting specific URL visits, time on site, and frequency to achieve a better conversion rate and CTR. Don't overdo your retargeting. Have you ever stumbled upon an ad on Facebook that you have seen repeatedly and now it's becoming overbearing? I personally get irritated, and I'm sure your audience will feel the same. According to a survey conducted by Ad Espresso, they found that those ads that were displayed repeatedly result in a CPC increase and a CTR decrease. To help reduce the frequency of your ads, you can set up an automated rule in Facebook Manager to limit the number of times your advert is displayed before your audience over a period of time. Don't waste time on the wrong people. Remarketing to people who aren't going to contribute to your sales is actually a losing effort. No matter how hard you try, they won't opt for your products or services. Another thing to keep in mind is never to retarget those visitors that spend very little time on your website. This is because your effort will be misplaced should you keep trying to win them over. Rather, invest your effort and time in getting more visitors who are actually interested in what you offer and willing to become a paying customer. Don't overlap durations. Not paying attention to campaign durations is another common retargeting mistake marketers make when creating audiences. Of course, you can choose any duration, from 7 to 14 to 60 days, etc. Regardless of your choice of duration, you need to ensure that you negate the others if you are using just one audience. Siphoning traffic from one audience into another is a big no-no. Don't write long copy. These audiences you are retargeting are already aware of what you are offering, and there is no reason to over-explain yourself or your offer. Writing long copy will only make people uninterested and skip your ads entirely. Rather, keeping your retargeting ads short with lots of value will go a long way in getting you more engagements. Final thought. Adhering to the above rules isn't enough to run an effective Facebook retargeting campaign. If you expect your campaign to be a breakthrough, you will have to be creative and willing to explore new ideas. Not only that, make sure you deliver on whatever you promise in your Facebook remarketing ads. Facebook remarketing premium tools and services to consider in 2019 and 2020. Perfect Audience. www.perfectaudience.com. Perfect Audience is also a retargeting tool similar to AdRoll. In a few easy steps, you can set your desired retargeting campaign using a variety of segmentation criteria. It allows you to create and run ads at any given budget you set. Like AdRoll, Perfect Audience is also a cross-channel and cross-device tool with a simpler interface and less sophisticated features. Quaya. www.quaya.com. Quaya is a professional Facebook and Instagram ads tool where you can track your remarketing ads. It is specifically designed for media marketing experts with a wide variety of features like A/B testing, campaign analysis and management, engagement analytics, multi-channel marketing, and third-party integration. One popular feature of Quaya is it allows you to schedule your campaign at times when it's more likely to produce better results. Unlike Facebook Ads Manager, this tool is available on a monthly paid subscription basis only. Prices start from $149 per month. Ad Espresso. AdEspresso.com. Ad Espresso is a blend of ease and sophistication in one social advertising tool. Its sophistication lets you manage your Facebook remarketing efforts with awesome flexibility. Small businesses can create and manage advertising content across different channels, including Facebook, with minimal cost, time, and effort. Popular features of Ad Espresso includes an effective data sync tool for retargeting in multiple platforms, quick and clear drag-and-drop PDF report generation, customization of report templates, and detailed metrics for data analysis. It is also more affordable for small businesses compared to Quaya, as the subscription fee starts from $69 per month. Hootsuite Ads. Hootsuite.com/products/ads. Hootsuite Ads is a popular tool for Facebook remarketing for some of its distinctive features. It selects the posts best suited for your target audience by scanning your Facebook page. It guides you with its automated targeting and bidding algorithm to design your campaign that may yield the best outcome. It also increases your efficiency by facilitating content approval workflow, assigning messages to team members to respond, and providing built-in content and asset library. You can pick any of the 4 bundles of services it offers for fees starting from $19 per month. Retargeting. Retargeting.biz/en. Retargeting specializes in dynamic ad benefits for Facebook marketers. It helps you to make creative and smart ads very fast and promises you a higher revenue to cost ratio. You can also track the performance of your ads with this tool. Campaign benefits include helping and retaining your current customers, as well as getting the abandoned customers back to your business by remarketing. You can personalize your products based on the customer insights you get from this tool. Prices start from €53 per month. AdStage. www.adstage.io/. AdStage provides you with a one-stop service to monitor, optimize, and schedule cross-channel campaigns, including on Facebook. Its if-then logic, scheduling, and rotation functions lets you control your ads to be shown when people are most likely to take action, which is awesome for Facebook remarketing. It provides you with reporting, automation, and data API facilities, and you get the option to buy any of these single facilities rather than paying for a bundle offer. However, the price for the product bundle starts from $838 per month. DriftRock. www.driftrock.com. DriftRock is yet another multi-channel remarketing tool, but it functions differently from others. It conducts Facebook marketing in 4 steps: create, automate, trigger, and lead response. To achieve higher ROI from any campaign, it considers additional variables, e.g. weather, rather than relying only on the time of day. DriftRock is used by big companies in automobile, retail, and education industries. It offers you a price based on channels you wish to cover and the features you want to have. AdRoll. www.adroll.com. AdRoll is a retargeting tool that targets the visitors of your page who left without converting and shows them your ad on Facebook to get them back to your page. It offers flexibility in terms of budgeting and reach. It allows you to set your budget on a daily basis and make changes whenever you want. As a cross-channel and cross-device tool, AdRoll maximizes the reach to your targeted customers on Facebook and other channels on different kinds of devices. BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo.com. BuzzSumo is an amazing tool that finds the most popular content on a topic by a simple keyword search, which is very helpful to use for remarketing purposes. So, you can create more relevant ads and other content that your customers actually care about and thus generate more organic traffic. You can find leading influencers who can promote your product on Facebook or other platforms. BuzzSumo also helps you to find what's popular on your competitor's page by letting you see popular content on a specific domain. Prices start from $79 per month. Yext. www.yext.com. If you want to retarget local audiences from your ads on Facebook, Yext is the tool for you. You can easily find the people inside a certain radius of your business address with this tool. It allows you to improve your online local listings with the Yext listing feature, as well as control and update the business information you share on a scheduled and real-time basis. It also helps to generate more customer reviews. Prices for different plans range from $4 to $19 per week.